arbejder.
Tag lige fjerde med nu.
Skulle jeg ikke ansøge om at få et job til det, så er det noget andet? Nej. Nu siger jeg, at Kannibaler! Dun, dun, dun! I am now talking about eating chickens! These are more rare than I thought. These are cannibal human chicks in their natural habitat. Follow me closely and we can get really close to these
Wait.
fantastic birds.
Okay.
For the first time, they're showing the wild. Look how they talk to the black one. From here, I cannot tell you what it is, but I will in a few moments go and check it out. So we can be sure what this weird black creature is. I have here! I have found it! It is the lizard man!
Hello.
It is another very rare breed.
And
they are, this is the first time we have seen them interacting with these majestic birds.
Funny you say so.
This is one of the most endangered species known to man.
Excuse me.
Because they can talk.
You are striking me.
No, not.
And this is what I believe nurses on their dog.
Så det er ikke vildt akavet.
Nej.
Kan du også høre sig?
1, 2, 3, nu!
I faldt så pænt. Ja, kom så!
Is it the ultimate fight?
Oh, thank you.
Now what?
No.
No!
This is too freaking stupid.
I challenge you. I really do.
Get the fuck away from me. Weakling. Give me that. No, not the feather. Look at it.
Yes.
Focus.
This is what we are to. It's kind of pathetic.
Hello!
Aww. This is what I have to deal with every single time we do something like this.
It's not brave if you yell surprise!
I'm actually happy I'm not in there. But at some point, you'll get it out.
You broke me!
Like brother and sister. Sister and sister.
Okay, I'll fix you. Boopsie! Beep, 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 beep. Works!
I whip my hair back and forth. I whip my hair back and forth. Shut up.
I'm fine. Chubby bunny. Kom til at tage helt
Er det Chubby Bunny? Chubby Bunny? Chubby Bunny.
May I be with it?
Chubby Bunny?
Chubby bunny.
Chubby Bunny.
Chubby bunny?
Chubby Bunny?
Chubby bunny?
Chubby bunny.
Chubby Bunny?
Chubby bunny?
Chubby bunny.
Chubby Bunny?
Chubby bunny?
Chubby bunny.
Chubby Bunny?
Chubby bunny?
Og skal man tælle?
Chubby bunny.
Chubby bunny? Fuck. Are you lying?
I'm not quite sure. Jeg tager dem ud bagefter.
My dear friend, I'm a hamster.
Ej, hvor er det en klap opfindelse.
Sorry, Ronny.
Find dig selv også. Du skal også være med.
Kaster du op, eller hvad?
Der er en skraldespand lige her.
Nå.
Guess that wasn't enough. Is it filming?
No, this is you.
What is?
I couldn't hold them in my mouth.
We have
I
a
had-
winner.
I
She managed to eat them too.
I had 10.
Yeah, I think I had 20 or something.
I don't think so.
Maybe it felt like 20.
Yeah.
Oh,
This is what it's about. These little marshmallow thingies.
I had at least...
Extremely
I had
gross
at
to
least-
put a lot of them in your
Yeah, I
mouth.
had at least 15.
How are you feeling?
Stuffed
I
into
do
my
not
cheeks.
recommend doing this, but one thing I can say, these are fucking delicious.
Da, da,
Can I try again?
da.
Slavedreng, hent hvad vi beder dig om.
Are you ready?
For whiz thingy.
For så starter jeg bare. It's deformed.
Then eat it, it will be better for it.
You just lost the game.
I hate you.
I am not who you think I am. I am an optical illusion. Because in real life, I am God. Thank you.
West Coast, East Coast, McDonald's and Burger King.
What's the last one?
Oh, no, it goes like this. East side, west side, genocide.
Okay. Jeg er godt på min egen computer.
How many clouds? Not the one in the sky. The emo faggot boy. How many of him does it take to change a light bulb? It doesn't matter. He will sit in the dark and wonder when he will be forgiven anyway.
Det var faktisk godt.
Stupid, stupid emo boy.
Screw you, direct translations.
I feel stalked.
Good thing you admit it.
You know? Yeah. Det er også en sport.
Can biting.
That should be a swear word. Go bite a can!
Go buy a can, you faggot! Oh, me, you did not say that.
And here we are, in the middle of the jungle. Actually, there's...
Did you know that I'm riding this horse backwards?
I do. That is a chair.
It's a horse! And I'm riding it backwards. The chair is an illusion of your mind.
It's not a chair, it's not
Don't
a
drink
horse.
Bella.
And you're riding it from backwards.
You!
This is a killer machine.
No.
No.
It's,
I'm a killer machine. I'm
Fizzy
killing the
drink.
can with my teeth.
that was stupid
Og
as
du skal være på, fordi nogle af de der kan, der er ret skarpe. You could cut yourself. Don't be an emo faggot.
I am not.
Are you sure?
Don't touch the hair.
Don't touch my hair or I will.
Then I'll touch your feet.